Hey YouTube, I don't know if you guys can hear me. I had to actually make a video on my computer, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me or anything, but I'm having a lot of trouble converting the voice memo I took on my iPhone to YouTube. I did send it to my email, tried to post it on YouTube, and then like I talked to someone and they were like, try making it a live movie maker thing if you have Windows. I have Dell, and so it really sucks. So I want to try to make this video so you can hear the noise of a voice memo I took a few weeks ago. I don't know when it was. Actually, I'm gonna go check because I have it right up here. It was on 4/11. So it was at 1:24 a.m. So I hope this works. I hope it helps you guys. So what you're gonna need for this video is earphones to hear. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, bye.
Wow, that one was loud. It's off in the distance? Who would do construction at this hour of the night? Oh my... It's really loud. Oh my god. That's